the gutter with my bros, in the gutter with my thugs. From the hood we cannot trust. The streets don't show no love, and that's on me. That's on me. Yeah, that's on me. Hey, now we say pin on me. Hey, Roof Chris on me. Hey, Benihana on me. Hey, Big Drip on me. Hey, Drip on me. Dip on me. Cause when I cater boss, you gon' get laughed at us. Yeah, brought me to this place. Never thought I'd be criticized for my race. Never thought I'd have to watch out for the Jakes. Never thought I'd lose people I love. This shit crazy. See, ain't my past. Brought me to this place. Never thought I'd be criticized for my race. Never thought I'd have to watch out for the Jakes. Never thought I'd lose people. Just out here trying to get some experience with this e-brake shit. I'm gonna get a hydro soon. All my homeboys is way better than me, so I gotta be out here on my own learning. They be giving me tips and pointers and shit, but it's all about seat time, really. Scheme shit, man. Just the setup, we got 20 by 10s in the rear. That's why that shit be fucking ripping up sometimes. I'm gonna pop the hood for y'all. Stock, man. We stock boys. Like I said, we out here just getting seat time. It's a 95 factory 5-speed SC. Scheme shit, man. You know. Anyways, I keep repeating the same shit, but I got the little bar back there because I'm gonna get some bucket seats, harnesses. Progress, man. It's all about progress. I'll get a exhaust clip for y'all. Yes, sir. Follow me on Instagram, man. I'm gonna have all that info available. Follow my group scheme. You know, we out here. Just a good spot, man. Honestly,
We got that. Let's go around, come through. Then you got this one. You know, just big 8s. We out here though.